Welcome. In this video I will show you how to trim videos on Windows. First, right click the video that you want to trim and select Open with Photos. Once you open this file with photos, you have to click Trim in the top left corner of the screen, then select the input and the output points for your video, so basically the beginning and the end of the video. This way you trim it, and then to save the new version of the video, click Save as a copy in the top right corner, and then select the destination folder. I'm gonna select desktop, then click Save and wait until the video is saved. And now we can check the trimmed version of the video right here. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.